Hello everyone. Nice to meet you again in the MOOC Digital Literacy Lab for Educators. Cyberbullying. That's the focus of my presentation in this short video. I'm sure that you would have often come across this term and seen various incidents reported in media. But have you ever thought seriously about it? Let us engage in a critical discussion around this major social issue, which has drastically increased over the years, along with the increased use of digital devices and social media. As definitions indicate, cyberbullying can be any form of online harassments where electronic communications are willfully used to harm others, mainly by posting anonymous messages of an intimidating, threatening, or demeaning nature. While social media is a great digital facility which enables us to be connected and interact with the world around us, it also creates avenues for negative effects such as online harassments or cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is often reported as a major issue occurring all over the world, especially among children and the youth, which could lead to severe consequences. According to recent cybersecurity related statistics, cyber harassments through social media is observed to be the highest number of incidents reported in Sri Lanka. These reports make us critically think about the significance of creating and consuming digital content in a responsible manner. Let us further explore along this concept through a case study from the Sri Lankan context. This is the scenario. Amaya and Seshani, two young women in their 20s, cosplayed Wonder Woman at a comic convention held in Sri Lanka in 2017. Upon posting a picture online, they came under massive attack for their outfits. Several memes designed merely to mock the two girls and insult them were circulated throughout the Facebook pages with demeaning comments of body shaming. This unexpected situation shocked the two young girls, leaving them distressed and shaken. However, an overwhelming wave of support for the two girls started building up online. One tweet pledging support to the two young women went viral, and the story reached Hollywood. Both Gal Gadot, who played the character in the movie Wonder Woman, and its director Patty Jenkins, tweeted their support and encouragement to the girls. This resulted in a remarkable reversal of the situation. Their story became public with a wide coverage, locally as well as internationally. This incident sparked and opened up a wider critical conversation around the issue of cyberbullying. An online petition was started to pressurize Facebook to monitor content for hate comments and cyberbullying and block such posts. These two young women shared their inspiring story online as a support to other young women to be strong and stand up against online harassments. I invite you to analyze this story and post your point of view in the discussion forum in relation to the following aspects. How did the two young women navigate through the cyberbullying challenge they faced and subsequently show agency over the issue? Focus on both sides of the online chatter, the criticisms of the young women versus the outpouring support for them. How does this story evidence the power of digital creation and digital consumption? How could this story be used as a case study in a discussion with your students on how to use social media? Let us discuss along these issues further when I meet you again in a live chat session to explore our digital world and the digital literacy requirements to critically navigate through it. See you then.